Seduction. It's an art as old as time, yet it's one of the most misunderstood forces in human connection. When we think of seduction, what comes to mind? A flirtatious look, a charming smile, maybe a mysterious aura? Yes, those are all part of it. But seduction is about so much more. It's about understanding what truly draws people and how to leave a lasting impression that goes beyond physical attraction and dives deep into psychological and emotional allure. Today we're breaking down the top 10 traits that make a person irresistibly captivating. These traits are not tricks or manipulations. They're qualities that, when authentically developed, can transform the way people perceive you, interact with you, and yes, become drawn to you. If you're ready to take your charisma to the next level, let's dive in. Welcome back to the 1%, where we explore the hidden keys to personal power, influence, and success. Let's get started. Number 1, confidence. Everything starts with confidence. Picture someone like Barack Obama, a person who exudes calm and self-assuredness. Confidence is that steady energy that makes people feel at ease and trust your presence. It's not about being loud or showy, it's about knowing who you are and being comfortable with it. Now, you might be wondering, how do I build this confidence? Here are a few ways. Start by setting small goals and celebrating every win, no matter how small. With every success, you build self-trust, and that trust shows. Another way is try power poses. Yes, it sounds simple, but standing tall and opening up your posture can actually send signals to your brain that boost your confidence. Number 2, mystery. Mystery is what keeps people guessing. When we think of icons like David Bowie, part of his allure was the sense that there was always something more beneath the surface. He didn't reveal everything at once, he let people wonder. Creating mystery doesn't mean you need to hide who you are. It's more about allowing people to discover layers of your personality gradually. Instead of sharing every detail, let conversations reveal things naturally. Ask yourself, what's one interesting fact about me that I can share later on, maybe after a few conversations? A touch of mystery leaves people wanting to know more. Number 3, charm and wit. Charm and wit are your tools for connecting quickly with others. Think of Winston Churchill, who could lighten even the heaviest moments with his clever remarks. Charm is not about being the funniest person in the room. It's about knowing how to engage others in a way that makes them feel seen and entertained. So, how do you build this? Practice active listening. Be genuinely interested in what people are saying and respond thoughtfully. A well-timed compliment, a playful tease, or an insightful question shows you're not just there to talk about yourself. Charm grows when you make others feel appreciated and enjoy a good exchange. Number 4, self-sufficiency. Self-sufficiency is the quality of being whole on your own. When people see that you're happy and thriving independently, it creates an attraction because it shows strength. Steve Jobs, for example, didn't rely on others' opinions to create Apple. He followed his vision. To develop this trait, focus on your goals, passions, and the things that bring you joy outside of relationships. When you have your own sense of purpose, people see you as someone who doesn't need validation from others, and that's attractive. Number 5, emotional control. Emotional control is key to seduction. Nelson Mandela, for instance, demonstrated incredible composure and strength even in adversity. When you're emotionally controlled, people respect you and feel secure around you. Here's an advice. Next time you're in a heated conversation, take a deep breath before responding. Give yourself a moment to pause and think about the best way to react. It's not about suppressing emotions, but choosing how you express them. Number 6, vulnerability. Showing vulnerability is about being real, and authenticity is incredibly attractive. Think of someone like Emma Watson. She openly shares her beliefs and passions, making her relatable and genuine. To show vulnerability, start by sharing small parts of yourself with people you trust. This might be an opinion, a personal story, or a challenge you're facing. When you're willing to be open, it shows strength and invites deeper connections. Number 7, physical presence. Physical presence is all about how you carry yourself. Beyoncé is a master of this. Her posture, movements, and eye contact are intentional and powerful, creating an aura of confidence. Prove your presence. Work on body language. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and maintain eye contact. It's not about looking intimidating, but about being open and confident in how you move and engage with others. Number 8, sociability and warmth. Sociability and warmth make people feel comfortable around you. Oprah Winfrey is a perfect example. She listens intently, making people feel valued and understood. To build warmth, practice active listening and show empathy. A genuine smile and a warm tone of voice can go a long way in making people feel at ease. Number 9, ambiguity and challenge. Ambiguity and a sense of challenge create excitement. Think of Angelina Jolie. She always has a bit of mystery and unpredictability that keeps people guessing. You can cultivate this by not always being overly available. Let people work a little to earn your time and attention. This keeps the connection fresh and engaging, as it shows you're selective with where you invest your energy. Number 10, generosity. Finally, generosity. This trait makes a lasting impression. Keanu Reeves is beloved not just for his talent, but for his humble, giving nature. True generosity shows that you have an abundant mindset. Generosity isn't about grand gestures. It can be as simple as offering support, a kind word, or a helping hand. People remember acts of kindness, and they create a powerful allure that goes beyond the surface. So, those are the 10 essential traits of seduction. Each of these qualities has the potential to make you magnetic, unforgettable, and irresistible in any situation. Seduction is about much more than attraction. It's about embodying the qualities that make people genuinely want to be around you. But we're just getting started. Each of these traits has layers, strategies, and ways to integrate them into your daily life. Over the next few weeks, I'll be diving into each of these traits in detail. So, if you're ready to fully embody confidence, mystery, charm, and more, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on. You won't want to miss these insights. And remember, seduction is only one part of a much bigger journey. On this channel, we're talking about mastering skills that elevate every area of your life, from achieving financial freedom to navigating the rise of AI and its impact on careers. So check out our other videos and playlists. If you're ready to level up your life beyond just charisma, this is the 1%. And together, we're creating the life we dream of. One trait, one goal, one success at a time. Until next time, stay ambitious, stay captivating, and most importantly, stay true to yourself.